Well, you may have noticed when you're out driving around or walking around, we're getting a lot of color change across the state. I want to show you some satellite images that are about a little over 2 weeks apart. This is from August 28th, and here's the state of Iowa. I know it's a little bit difficult to see. There's Des Moines and there's I-80, but you see a lot of green, very summer-like with the green vegetation out there. Then we'll go about, again, 2 weeks, 2 days after the fact. This is September 14th. You're getting a lot more brown and yellow color showing up across the state of Iowa and off into Illinois. So a lot of the fields starting to change color a little bit. Even when you look at some of the trees, you're getting some color change, but not anywhere close to peak, of course. When we typically see peak fall colors, that comes late September through the second week of October for the northern third of the state there in the red. Between Highway 20 and I-80, it's about the first to third week of October, and then of course later into October for far southern Iowa. But already some hints of fall out there, although it doesn't really feel like it. Of course, temperatures have been extremely warm the past few days, and they're going to stay about 10 degrees above normal for today all the way through Thursday. High temperatures remain in the 80s. And even though we keep the south wind, which typically brings in some warmer air, we're looking at the highs dropping briefly down into the 70s over the weekend, Friday and Saturday and Sunday. That's because of more cloud cover and higher rain chances. But there are actually some signs that things are going to heat back up as we go into next week. 8 to 14 day outlook. I mean, we're basically the bullseye for the heat. And that's the period of September 23rd through the 29th. So fall kind of taking a little vacation here, and it looks like summer wants to stick around a little bit longer. Now with the heat, especially over the next few days, we're going to get these isolated rain and storm chances that aren't very organized, but they give you about a 20-30% chance as we go through Thursday. Then a low pressure system will develop. It'll move in and basically stall out. That gives you the higher chances for rain Friday and Saturday, along with more cloud cover, and it's the reason why we're a little bit cooler over the weekend. But because of the disorganization of the rain and storms for the next few days, there's really no chance for severe weather. So you may see a little bit of rain, could be heavy at times, but not everybody will see that. Again, about a 20% chance here for today, as highs will be in the mid 80s to low 90s. Dry tonight with partly cloudy skies. We'll have our lows down to the low to mid 60s. And as things stay on the warm side Wednesday, Thursday, again, it's about a 20-30% chance, maybe a little bit higher of a chance in Waterloo for tomorrow. And then it's going to be about a 40-50% chance Friday and Saturday, which gets us into the 70s this weekend, but then we're right back to 80 on Monday.